This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, October 7th, 2019. This one I got a call for a backed up tub. Oh, the lady I worked for before. Been calling her all flipping day. She's just got home. It's almost 3 o'clock. She just got home now. I said, lady, I've been calling you all day. Oh, I had to go visit my husband at 12 o'clock at the hospital. Guess she's not too concerned about her tub. But anyway, we're going over there now and see if I can get it unblocked for her. So it's backing up though, you said, huh?
Yeah, really.
So it's a shower, it's not a tub.
Right.
Did you try a plunger? No?
Yeah. Nothing.
Even with the plunger, nothing. It's backing up, alright. Let me get my plunger and try it first, and then alright, I'll take a look. We got a clean out right here. We could probably right in this line here going down. A vent right there, so if it's in here it's not going to work. So I do the old hydro blast on it. Try a plunger first. Snake down in here. She's blocked, alright. I'm gonna try to get my snake down there. Maybe I can do that with the snake. Yeah, I tried calling you a bunch of times, I mean.
I go to the nursing home every day between the hours of 11:30 and 2 o'clock. I can catch them awake.
See if I can jump the trap and get the snake down there maybe. And snake it from downstairs. I did pump out the top side with my pump, so I'm going to try to get the snake in here and down. That's the idea. Here's a leaker. See if we get the snake down there. I want to be a plumber. I want to be a plumber. It's not easy being cheesy, mama. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeehaw. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So you want to be a plumber? Yeah. Should take care of it. Pump all the water out before I did anything with it. We'll see if it works. I might have went up the vent there, you're not sure. I'm not sure if I went down the drain or the vent with the snake. Should have went down the drain, all that hair to come out. It's draining. Had a lot of hair in there. Down the drain, a lot of hair. Oh, we all lose hair. I mean, that's what it is. So.
Only my son and I, was a block on the bottom.
Yeah, I had to unsnake it from down that clean out down below there. I ran my snake down there and pull a bunch of hair out. Looks like Chewbacca I pulled out of there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's just.
That's
I had
it.
a cook for this barbecue. This way he doesn't have to, pick his feet up.
Oh, for your husband?
Yeah.
That's gonna take care of it. Alright, it's not leaking. Let's go. This is where it was blocked, right here. There you go. Good enough for this neighborhood.